YouTube, Eric DIY with another review for you. Today we're reviewing the Camping Trail Camping and Outdoor Microfiber Towel Set. It has 2 quick-drying microfiber towels, super absorbent, they're antibacterial and lightweight. We got 2 sets. The blue is going to be Zachary's and the green will be mine, but they do come in several colors. Let's look at the green set, so I'm not going to touch Zach's, but they do give you a bonus of 25% off any products when you join the TCT Club, which is short for the Camping Trail. So they have that right off the bat there. Excellent thing to have. Inside the box we have a carrying bag, and you'll notice that they thought about having the towels in there. If they're a little wet, they'll still dry out a little bit because they have mesh on both the bottom and the top. Comes with what I would say a hand washing towel, but it's also big enough to be whatever you want it to be. It's about the size of a dish towel, so you can wash yourself with that. You can clean dishes with it. You can do whatever you need to do. It also comes with a handy little hanger right there, so you can hang it. And then they have the main microfiber towel itself, which is 52 inches by 32 inches. Excellent size for bathing. Even the beach you can lay on this thing. And again, it has that little strap up there to hang it anywhere you need to dry it out. So it looks really good, really high quality microfiber. If you feel it, you can tell it's really good. And again, this other one, just a comparison, is about the size of a dish towel. Excellent set. Really look forward to using these while camping. I just wanted to show you the care of the microfiber towels. What you want to do is you just wash them and then you let them air dry. Also, you do not want to use fabric softener. You do not want to iron them. You do not want to tumble dry them. Do not dry clean them. And obviously do not use bleach. Also keep away from flame and fire. So those are pretty easy directions. You just put it in the washer, wash it, and then let it air dry. Not only do they make great camping towels, but they're also good for after you go for a jog. Wipe the sweat right off. I'm actually going to use a bigger one for my shower, just to show you that they're excellent for showers as well. Whew. And as you see, barely any wetness because it's high density microfiber cloth, so it will accept a lot of liquid before it becomes saturated. Excellent as a workout towel. Even with a shower, it's only somewhat wet. It's not fully absorbed, and I am totally dry right now. So microfiber towels are excellent. Excellent, excellent. And this is a nice set. You can take this for showering, for working out at the gym, camping, anything. It's very, very portable. My hat's off to the Camping Trail. These are excellent all around microfiber towels. I'm going to leave the microfiber towel hung up here. I'm going to turn the bathroom fan off and we'll see how fast it dries. I'm going to check back in an hour and see how much it dries. Just remember, there's no wind. We're indoors. So if you're outdoors and you hang these up to dry, it'll probably take less time. And this is the towel, just a couple minutes after being an hour. And as you see, it's a lot drier after a good shower. So, and that was indoors. That was without wind. So it's doing great. It dries fast. It's an awesome towel. I have nothing else to say. Definitely would buy this set from the Camping Trail because it's just amazing. It's nice to have both size towels, and they work great. And they also come compact in their own little bag. Camping Trail Camping and Outdoor Towel Set is an amazing find here. Again, with the 2 quick-drying microfiber towels, they work perfectly. There's no problems with them, and they're ultra light to pack up. So, especially with that stuff sack that they give you, definitely easy to pack up. They do come in 4 colors. They come in blue, green, gray, and orange. I would highly recommend the Camping Trail Camping and Outdoor Towel Set if you're in the market for some microfiber towels. If you would like to buy the Camping Trail Camping and Outdoor Towel Set, which consists of 2 quick-drying microfiber towels, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will support the Eric DIY channel, and we appreciate all the support you give us. If you like this video review and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below, as well as the bell notification icon so that you can be notified when more Eric DIY videos are posted. And as always, have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.